Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by naming what must exist for any meaningful change: time, finances, health. Once done, list 5 skills, 5 values, and 5 recurring interests to reveal overlap. Make sure to commit to a 30-day experiment window and pick one concrete weekly goal. For example, 1 networking call, 1 trial project, 1 volunteer shift. This combination of prerequisites plus immediate microactions starts momentum, so act now and track results daily to inform the next step. You expand by designing 3 short experiments: learning something new, building or creating, and serving others. Then define simple metrics: joy score, impact score, and effort hours, so you can compare experiences objectively. Once done, rotate experiments across 4 weeks and keep concise records after every session. Make sure to iterate. Drop what scores low, deepen what scores high. This structured exploration reveals patterns faster than guessing and narrows promising directions. You now choose one promising path and commit to a 90-day focus with weekly checkpoints. Make sure to build feedback loops, mentor input, real user reactions, and your joy/impact metrics, so you can refine direction quickly. Once committed, increase responsibility gradually and measure progress against clear milestones. If things go wrong, apply the key troubleshooting move. Reduce scope by half, return to a single testable output, and reevaluate in 1 week. This keeps momentum while protecting learning and morale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.